Hello everybody, today we are going to compare original Super Nintendo Classic Edition and a fake one over here. So sometimes everything is pretty similar, but there are some differences that you can always tell which one is original and which one is fake, okay? First of all, let's look at the boxes. So original one has much better print. If you can compare, you see the stripes over here, but you don't see them over here. This one much better print quality, okay? As for the writing, everything seems to be like the same. Then when we look over here, original serial number always starts with SU. This one is fake. This one starts with CU. CU is for NES actually. So Super Nintendo cannot start with CU. Okay, so this one is, if you have CU, it's fake for sure. Okay, UPC for US version ends on 0758, and fakes often have a different one, but sometimes it's correct, and sometimes fake also have serial number starting with CU. If you buy several from a same seller who sells fakes, they usually have same serial number, but sometimes not. You can also see the font is different for this and for this. Again, print quality is different. Now, there might be some minor differences outside as well, but let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we opened both of the boxes. This is original, this is fake. Okay, so let's see. So fakes often don't have all the wrappings, but not always. Sometimes they have. Okay, so all the plastic bags and all this stuff. So this is original. It's like this, paper like this. Warranty agreement. And over here we have a poster. A poster like this, right? So, and fakes, let's look at the fake. Have some smaller paper. And we have a poster as well. Sometimes fake don't have a poster. So there might be some small differences in print quality and everything. You can actually see the difference in print quality, how you see all the black stripes on the original one and how it is on the fakes. Here's these things, dots are kind of orange and these are red. Orange, red. Fake has dark, this has light. Original have more light printing, okay? From the pictures might be hard to see from video, but like when you see in real, you see the difference. Okay, next item over here is the power adapter. So original Super Nintendo come with this, with Nintendo logo. It looks like this. The thing about this, the Chinese don't make fakes power adapter like this with Nintendo logo. So this, if you see it like this, it's original for sure. Chinese usually give something like this, like Chinese fakes usually like this. You can buy in China like this, like I think it's like 50 bucks, 40 bucks, something like that. Can be different, like can be anything. But to be honest with you, pretty much every USB power adapter works with those. So this doesn't really influence the way it works. I mean, if you buy from China, this might not work. They might be defective. Let's go next. So put this on the side. So then we have power cord, right? So this, again, this stuff without wrapping, but sometimes they may have. Okay, so let's see the difference. See, when it's new, it's packed nicely. And I have this white paper over here. It says disconnect cable and unplug AC adapter when not in use. Okay. And fakes have nothing on them. Okay. And fakes cannot be with this. So if you see this, that means it's original for sure. Okay. I never seen fakes with this paper. Put this on the side. Next, the difference in HDMI cables. This comes in wrap like this. So let's open it. Let's see. So you see how these are different? This is square, and one of the sides has Nintendo logo. One of the two connectors, only one of the sides. So 1 out of 4 sides basically have a Nintendo logo. On the other, it says HDMI. And on this one, original has HDMI and some writing. And the fakes usually just like that. Nothing on any of the sides. This on the sides. Then we get to... Oh, okay, here's some reference. Okay. Controllers. Okay. You can always tell which controllers are original and which ones are fake. So when the cord is black on either of those, but the connectors, these connectors are dark gray and these are black. Fakes always have black, original have dark gray. So like, and fakes never have gray. So you have black connectors, these are fake. By the way, Nintendo Classic Edition has black connectors, but they're completely different controllers, so that's not about that. So it also has Nintendo logo over here. See, fakes also have Nintendo logo, but these are fake. Okay. As far as the controller itself, let's compare these. So you can see like it's different font. This one has like with black, this one with gray. Entertainment system can be different font, different, you know, overall different quality and feel a little bit. But maybe hard to tell until you compare them one to one. So easy way to see like on the pictures and on the video, it's like black, dark gray. So this is about controllers. So let's look at the consoles. So obviously again this has SU, this was CU, round font, little bit different, like if you compare a little bit different like writing kind of quality. This one is more sharp. Eject is more bright. Okay. Let's see, like this is darker. And as you can see, this has 1 dot over here, 2 dots over there, and this one has just 1 on each side. But this can be different, this can be closer to this. I open controller ports. Let's see in here. Look pretty similar. Okay, so let's go and check the consoles, how they work. Connected. Here we have red light. Okay, fakes sometimes have different light. So this is the console over here. This is the menu. Language, you can choose language. Fakes sometimes don't have the language options. Legal notices, manuals. Okay, then we have games here. So I'll show you exactly how they're spelled, because fakes often have wrong spelling on games. So this one is original console, so Earthbound, and we'll go through all the 21 games here. Castlevania, they often make mistakes. Ghosts and Goblins. Okay, so let's play some game and I show you how it saves it. Okay, so let's choose something, I don't know, Mario Kart. And I'm gonna be a princess. It's old graphics, obviously, 30-year-old graphics, but still original. Will have like this is original, so it has a little bit better. Will have a little bit better graphics than fakes. This is good old Mario Kart. So, and let's say we feel like we want to continue playing later, so we save the game. I'm not that good at it. Okay, so we press reset like this over here. And then immediately we have this save slot over here, save game. We can put in one of the 4 save slots. So Y to save, okay, and then it's saved right away. Okay, fakes sometimes don't allow you to save. Okay, so now we compare this to a fake one. Okay, so this is a fake one. There are again many kinds of them. Some are closer, some are more different. So you can immediately see it's like different menu, like little bit like different writing. The game names are a little bit different. You'll see sometimes misspelling. Sometimes it's legend, you know. Sometimes missing apostrophe here. The feel and controllers are different when you... Okay, let's see what's here. Display option, you see how different it is. And it's a Mario game here. So we go back, options. Languages. This one has all the languages, sometimes they don't. Legal notices. Nothing, no legal notices on the fake one. It's a manual, no barcode, nothing. Okay, so let's try. Now this is a little bit different here. Also, by the way, you cannot modify it and add more games. So for those who are planning to do it, fakes are completely not what you're looking for. So let's try Mario Kart. Okay. With fakes, everything loads slower, like from start to saving to everything. So I can see the graphics is worse on this one. It's more blurry, but either way it's old graphics. So if we compare side to side, you'll see that the original is better, but this one is like 20% worse. So let's see. So let's go. So we're going. And let's say we want to stop and save the game. So we go to reset button over here. And then we see here operation hints being saved instead of immediately like it was on the original one. Here, wow, that's actually pretty long. Usually it's shorter, but on the original one it's like instantaneous. With fakes you have like this, and then you can save. Let's see if it actually works, the saving. Some fakes doesn't it doesn't say here Y to save, so it's like this is different. So let's try Y, and this doesn't work. Okay, so and this closed it. Okay, and okay, so here A saves. Okay, and let's say we wanted to continue playing. Okay. Oh no. Okay. So I pressed the wrong button, and instead of playing from a save, it loaded it from you know, from the start, and now I pressed reset to, you know, to go back, and it just froze. So like fakes will freeze once in a while. Okay, and I just have to power it off and power it back on. Okay, so let's try again to play from the safe. And again it goes from the start. I don't know, like I guess it's like, oh, okay, it says over here loading state. What the hell is that? Huh. I guess this one is like, yeah. I see other fakes that you can just load the safe, it just takes longer, but this one it's like loading state. Okay. And now it finally loaded from the safe. Wow. Yeah, this is not the best fake I've seen. But at least it does save, because some others don't. So, boom! Okay, so I hit this thing, so I guess I'm done in this game. They all go faster than me. I'm gonna like, oh my god, Yoshi. Alright, thank you very much for watching. So these are the difference between original Nintendo Classic, Super Nintendo Classic Edition and a fake one. Okay, please like and subscribe, and later on I'll also make a video about original and fake NES Classic Edition. Thank you.